Now the fourth option is copy faces. Click here. This option facilitates to copy the face of a 3D solid. Before using this, I'm going to selection filter. Click here to select face. It will facilitate to select the face only, and then click on the face. Now enter to select to confirm the selection. Now it is asking base point. Saying this is the base point. Now I want to move the face, copied face, to this side. Now we can see that I've already copied the face, and now I can use this copied face to create some another solid like this. Suppose I want to create solid, then I can create by using the extrude command, or I can revolve this section, this region. So we can easily say that this copied face works like the region. That is the prerequisite for extrusion and revolve. I'm deleting this created face. Now the next option is offset faces. This is just like the extrude faces, but it has some extra facilities, like select the face, enter to confirm the selection. It is asking the offset distance. Command can extrude this face up to a certain distance, which I have given here. So I'm giving 3. Let's enter to confirm. Now you can see that it has been extruded to the distance 3 upward. Undo to discard the changes. Now the next option is delete faces. Suppose we have created some fillet and chamfer in our 3D model, and if we don't require some of them, then we need to delete some of them. So for this purpose, this operation is very useful. Like this, we have this model, we have created some chamfer and fillet on some edges which we don't require. So for this purpose, I am deleting this chamfer which I don't require. Press enter to confirm the selection. Now again I am taking delete surface faces, select this filleted face, then press enter to confirm. And then you can see that I have easily delete the faces created by the chamfer and fillet command. So this is very useful command when we are working on complex geometry. I am coming to the next one. Now the next option is rotate faces. What it is? Suppose I want to rotate this face about an axis. Select this face, enter. Now I am selecting this axis. I am selecting this edge and axis of rotation, and then it is asking the rotation angle. I set 45. So you can see that the whole face has been rotated 45-degree angle about the selected axis of rotation. Undo to discard the change. Now next option is color faces. I want to use different color for different faces. For this particular purpose, we generally use this command. For this thing, select this face, then press enter. The color palette has been open. Now I am selecting green color for this face, and then again I am selecting this option and selecting the face. Press enter. Now I want to make it in red color. Now you can see the shadow effect by which we are, the AutoCAD is just displaying red color in purple. This is just the shadow effect, nothing else. So by this option we can create the different color to the different faces. Now some more solid editing options are under this flyout. First option is separate. What it is? Before using the separate command, which is available over here, we should create the two object with the help of union mode. Now click union, select two object like this, press enter to confirm the selection. Now these two objects are in the union condition. We can check this condition by clicking over this model, select this will automatically select it, and when we select this will automatically select it. This shows that both the models are under the union condition. So separate facilitate to disconnect the relationship between the two and make them independent. So click on the model and then select the 3D solid, and then we can see select click here, and this will not select it, and now automatically you can see, and when we select here it will not select automatically. So we can say that now they are independent like initially. This is the work of separate. The third option is clean. It will remove all redundant edges and faces which are not being used in the solid geometry or solid creation, like this, then enter. The next option is shell. This is a very useful option to create the hollow bodies from the 3D solid model. Suppose this is a box. Now I am selecting this model. This is asking remove faces, add or all. I set this should remove this face, this top face. Now this face has been deselected, and then enter. Now it is asking the cell offset distance. I set 0.5, then enter. Now we can see it has been created a shell body which is open on the top side, that face which I have already selected during the operation. This is the working of the shell mode. Now check. In some complex geometry, this option check will check the 3D model, and that will check the validity of the solid